What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about WAX chain. Now, if you do not know what this is, I'm about to blow your mind a little bit, and I'm also going to go into, if you stay through the video, I'm going to tell you the 3 best NFT projects in the world that are on there. All right, now I need to tell you first, disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. We do this for educational purposes only. So let's get straight in. Guys, here it is. It's on .wax.io. All right, the links are going to be down below. Now, when it comes to gaming, they're not here to play around, as it says. All right, welcome to the most proven Web3 ecosystem for gaming and NFTs. And to be honest with you, before we even dive into this, the numbers say it all. All right, we've got 500,000 plus daily unique visitors, 23 million plus daily transactions, 13 million plus WAX accounts already, and 30,000 plus dApps. That's decentralized apps, if you didn't know what it was. Now, a quick overview of the website. We've got Get Started, Carbon Neutrally, the WAX blockchain, About WAX, and news, all right? We're going to dive into quite a bit of this. So here it is. Look at all these projects coming up right now. You're seeing all these cool ones come in. We've got some sort of Warrior, baseball cards, Space Wars, all of your favorite brands and collectibles all in one place. So Saw, Atari, Street Fighter, Bratz, Funko, Robotech, AMC Theaters, Sony, all of them, right? And all you got to do is just click the buy now, and I'll show you that as well in a little bit. Now, it's a purpose-built NFT blockchain. Provides everything a brand needs to launch a successful NFT collection, from games, dApps to exchanges, digital marketplaces, and much, much more. You can see the ecosystem going round and round here. I'm going to play this little video for you so you can actually have a little look inside, all right? Let's click it.
What is a viral NFT? Well, it's an NFT that is virtual in real life. Trust me, you're gonna like this. Viral NFTs let you own physical stuff without dealing with delivery.
Love that avocado jumper.
This means no more boxing, no more shipping, no more deliveries, if you'd rather not have the physical item. The option is open. Here's how it works. Your thing is a unique one-of-a-kind NFT on the WAX blockchain. Voila! You can trade your viral NFT with anyone in the world. Your physical thing doesn't move until you or the current owner gives the viral NFT a special command to redeem it. That's a ton of saved deliveries. Score one for the environment. When the physical thing is redeemed, the viral NFT changes. In some cases, it's composted, which means it can't be traded anymore.
I love how simplistic
in other cases,
this video is.
It can still be traded, but has a special tag that shows it's been redeemed. Imagine, it's Christmas and you're 10 years old. Your grandma gets you an ugly sweater. Ugh, not again.
What, I like
Your
that
uncle
sweater.
gets you the same sweater, but as a viral NFT. With viral NFTs, you'll be happy with any gift, even if it's not great. Amazing! Viral NFTs unlock a new industry called V-commerce. You can buy and flip in seconds with anyone in the world. All without the cost and risk of trading physical items. See you, creepy randos? Phew. And some things get redeemed right away by those who value it most in its physical form. Beautiful. Now is the time to get in on viral NFTs. It's the revolutionary way to trade physical things. Get ownership without possession. Be physical and virtual. Profit from instantly tradable and super liquid WAX marketplace.
Guys, I'll stop it there, but you can see now how incredible that is, all right? This is what they're bringing to the table. So you're launching your games and NFTs on the WAX, all right? You can play the games on WAX. You can build on WAX, okay? No NFT is more important than the planet, so they're very much out there supporting restoration, more power, less energy, clean and carbon free. And there's 30 million collected and counting. Now, I want to show you now, just quickly, if you click the buy now like I showed you, where it takes you. So it takes you to their marketplace, all right, showing you their partners. You can view all. I want to go to the Hot Wheels NFT garage and have a look at some Hot Wheels now. That's how easy it is just to get to your favorite provider, all right? Now, guys, if you've made it this far, I'm going to tell you the top 3 that are on here, all right? So let's get straight into that now. So, guys, here's number 1. It's Alien Worlds, all right? This is on the WAX site. So you're seeking your favorite NFTs. Let's click this play and see what happens.
Missions.
The graphics are looking good.
This ultra-radioactive compound has been too dangerous for the Federation to tweak. A passing Senin trawler over the two besieged outposts.
There we go. I just wanted to skip through so you can see some of the graphics on here, right? I'm not going to let you watch the whole video because it's so long. All right, but it's a play-to-earn game. You've got your missions. All right, go on a mission. The spacecraft is sent across the metaverse, exploring different NFTs. You can teleport through WAX, TLM. All right, you can connect with others in the metaverse. All you got to do is find your own community. Going quickly through the game basics. One, Alien Worlds is an NFT metaverse. You can play to earn. You can stake in it. That's a big, big way to earn. You can planet DAO, so that's participate in weekly elections for council candidates, submit proposal on how to distribute the planetary treasury, trade game cards in there, and you've got the cross-chain bridge. Now, the NFTs you've got, rarity and shininess. All right, you got the land, tools, minions, weapons, avatars, missions, and commemorative. Now, the Trilum is the TLM. That's their native token. You got art, history, and lore, and it's the largest decentralized game on Earth. Okay? It's the first in dApp games by 30-day users and the second in 30 days users in all dApps. Really, really cool. The graphics and everything say it all for you. I'm going to have a quick look at their Twitter before we move on to number 2. Again, do your own research. This is a brief view of the top ones on that site, all right? Do your own research in there. I want to see you looking at these. So give them a big follow from us. We've got 118,000.8 followers. All right, it's at Alien Worlds. They've got so many things going on their Twitter, all right? Loads of different graphics showing you their NFTs, so get on there now. Let's jump to number 2. What's number 2 biggest on WAX? Guys, number 2 is called Prospectors. You can see it here, all right? It is an incredible game. Basically, you mine for gold, buy land, and build communities. You can earn so much money getting into this game. If you look on their main site, you can actually just click play tutorial, and it will take you through. All right, this is what it looks like. You begin, helpies come in, all right, and you can start here. I want to start renting out. Rent this plot, you'll get exclusive. Right, this is what you're doing. You're moving around this land, trying to rent gold, rent out your houses, use your land. Let's example, let's rent for a month. All right, and you can actually start earning yourself some crypto from here. It's an incredible, incredible game. So you're plunging into the 1970s gold rush atmosphere here, all right, guys? You can see it right now. Swap WAX to PGL. There's no way you have no plot within the Grand Land yet. You're mining, building, producing, trading, and uniting people together. You can actually play in other worlds like the Wild West, Grand Land, and Yukon. All right, so it's got loads of stuff. And the features we've got, crypto gold rules, decentralized game world, the free market economy, and there's over 70 million already amount of prospectors gold. All right, I want to take you straight to their Twitter so we can have a quick look at what's going on there. But make sure that you are getting involved in these. I'm bringing you the top 3 on WAX. Here it is. It's at Prospectors Game. All right, they've got 9,450 followers so far. All right, they've just announced it on there. It's on the WAX block. All right, it's an official. You've got these little cool gifs. They're actually quite funny on here, so give them a follow. Let them know you're from this channel and get involved. This is number 2. We're going to jump now to the 3rd biggest one, in our opinion, on WAX. Now, guys, this is last but not least. It's Farmers World. This is the biggest community in the NFT play and earn space, all right? There's so many people on this. Let's have a quick look at their trailer.
Manuscript number 4848, which is currently stored at the National Library of Brazil.
If anyone knows what that accent is, let me know down below.
Ancient farm situated in eastern Brazil. The farm was discovered by a group of explorers in 1573. The part of manuscript number 48 mentions that in the city we found mysterious relic of ancient farm to earn their living every day while women knit.
So they're getting wood, sailing the seas, digging up land.
Intercede of this city is Colonel Fort Henry. He and his son Jack led an expedition shores.
These are the NFTs.
Fishing rules, fishing as inspired velocity. His fate in the
Awesome. So you get the picture, right? You've gone through this land. You've now started up Farmers World. All right, it's really, really cool. I love this. Like it says here, the largest community of NFT games with over 150,000 players all over the world. It's incredible. You get in there, start building, get your cultivation going. All right, you got wild animals in there that don't last forever, so you've got to mine them. Get mining for gold, all right? Just like the last one we said, you're breeding as well, building. It's incredible, this game. You can earn a lot of money doing this, right? I want to have a look at their Twitter. Twitter, they've got 110,000. All right, just over 110,000 followers. Really, really cool. Withdrawn and transferred. So they're telling you everything about the game on there. I want to give you a big, massive follow. Let them know you're from this channel. If you get stuck please just type in @FarmersWorldNFT and you will find their Twitter. All the links should be down below anyway for everything we've talked about. But Farmers World is a big thumbs up from me. It's incredible. I absolutely love any game where you can go in, build a community, and start farming and things like that. Looking at a few of their NFTs, they got chainsaw, mining excavator, fishing boat, fishing net, axe, fishing rod, saw, stone axe. It makes me feel like I'm back in them days where I actually have to look for my food and hunt them, all right? You got the different memberships, bronze, diamond, gold, silver, okay? Got your farm animals, calf, baby calf, bulls, dairy cows, and your buildings, all right? You get the picture. That's number 3. It's a play-to-earn game. It's super, super, super hyped right now, so get involved in that. Well, guys, there you have it. Thank you so much for staying to the end of the video. Now, WAX is an incredible platform. You have to start getting involved there, all right? Everybody is talking about it, and you can see just from showing you how many dApps and stuff are on there, all right? Farmers World is probably my favorite out of the 3, all right? I probably shouldn't have an opinion like that, but it probably is my favorite. But all 3 of them projects are incredible, all right? So get involved. Start getting back into the crypto world. If you sort of dropped out, if you got hit by the crypto crash, do not worry. It's coming back. Get involved, all right? Let's do this. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe. Hit the bell if you want to be notified. And I'm going to see you on the very next video.